for your help. I place all the product links in the description. The Moan 220C3 EPBG Verso 8 Function 7 Diameter Spray Head Standard with Handshower with Eco Performance, Brushed Gold, 72 Hose, is an innovative and stylish addition to any modern bathroom. Moan is a trusted brand known for creating quality and durable products that enhance the user's experience. The Moan 220C3 EPBG Verso showerhead is no exception, featuring advanced technology and a stylish design. It is a standout product. The showerhead has 8 different functions, allowing the user to choose from a range of spray patterns that cater to their unique preferences. These functions include a rain shower, massage, relaxing massage, wide coverage, rinse, downpour, intensify, and targeted massage. One of the most impressive features is its eco-performance. The showerhead is designed to conserve water while still providing an excellent showering experience. With a flow rate of only 1.75 gallons per minute, GPM, the showerhead uses up to 30% less water than traditional showerheads. This makes it an eco-friendly choice that not only saves water, but also reduces water bills. It is a versatile and convenient choice for users. The hand shower provides added flexibility and allows the user to direct the water flow wherever they need it. This is especially useful for people with mobility issues, or for those who want to wash their pets or children in the shower. The gold finish complements a wide range of bathroom styles, from contemporary to traditional. The showerhead also comes with a 72 hose, which provides ample length for the user to maneuver the hand shower around the shower. Installation is straightforward and can be done by the user without the need for a professional plumber. The showerhead fits standard shower arms and comes with all the necessary hardware for installation. In conclusion, this is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their showering experience. The showerhead's advanced technology, eco-performance, and elegant design make it a standout product that delivers on both style and functionality, with its easy installation, low maintenance, and lifetime warranty. So this is an investment that users will enjoy for years to come.